And the Prophet Muhammad says that we are mirrors unto each other. We are mirrors unto each other. And that becomes very important, because if I am a mirror to you and you are a mirror to me, I have to make sure that the best of you comes out. That's one of the reasons why I was telling the kids that in being raised in the West, one of the insights of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, this notion that we are mirrors unto each other, has been taken by some of the Western thinkers, like the existentialists, and they have built a whole philosophy on that concept, that the human being is a mirror unto the other. Because that is a very profound statement. We don't think about it. You see, when you stand before a mirror, you are not looking at yourself the way we are looking at you. That's a mistake. Most of us, when we stand before a mirror, we think we are looking at ourselves. You are looking at a reflection of yourself. The way you are looking at me, I can never look at myself that way. It's impossible. Because if I stand before a mirror, I'm not looking at myself the way you're looking at me. Because you see, when I stand before a mirror, I have an object that reflects me. That's why the kids are told, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all? You. What is a talking mirror? A human being. Now, when you talk about the Prophet and the insight he made about being mirrors unto each other, you now have to understand the fact that from that concept, from that understanding of the human condition, you now move to a higher level of understanding the human being. And that's what the existentialists were able to do. They were able to develop a whole philosophy based on this idea that the human being serves as a mirror for the other, as the Prophet says.